As you may know, we're in the middle of a playoff hunt. Every win counts. We'd love to have you back. We're in the middle of something special here. We love this. Who has fun tonight? Number 9 for us, folks. This is really special. We want to thank our good friends at Visa Credit Union for sponsoring tonight's Family Feast night. I had 3 hot dogs. I'm not ashamed to say that. If you had more than 3 hot dogs, raise your hand. Yes, good job, sir. Proud of you. They're also our proud partner for tonight's post-game drone show, the first one in Tri-City's history. Dusty's down there. Looks like we're good up in the press box. Tri-Cities, this is a special night. We have a professional drone light show company out of Utah called Open Sky Productions. They drove all the way out here for us tonight. Let's count down to get these lights off. And then they'll do a countdown for the drone show. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We love you, Tri-Cities. We love you.
It's a meteor. It's gonna crash. Hi.